Let us meditate, and how we meditate is by observing our breath. We sit quietly and observe how our breathing is happening, how the breath is moving in and out. Quietly observe it, the inhalation and then the exhalation. All you have to do is close your eyes and watch how the breath is moving in. Where is it going? How dense it is? How long it is? How thick it is? Whatever comes to you. Is there a color? And then when it comes out, again look at it. How it is coming out. Where does it go? It is only up to here, or is it going out? From where is it coming from? Up to what point does it go? Like just all aspect of the breath. The whole idea is to be with the breath. Some of you would be able to go with the breath like this. Some of you will be able to go within the nostril. Like this. Maybe you may not be able to go here. So it's okay. You have to be with that movement. That's the key. That's why I said length, breadth, density, all that. You don't have to do all that. In one way, if you connect that, some of you may connect with the movement of the stomach, breathing happening, or movement of the chest as you breathe in, breathe out. Whatever you connect, as long as you are with the breath, that's fine. Okay. And when you do that, what would happen? Like all the time, we'll get sidetracked to something else. You'll go to your home, to your office. Some thoughts will come. And the moment you recognize that I am in a thought and not with my breath, what do? Come back to the breath. Just cut. How beautiful those thoughts are going to be, just stop it there and come back to the breath. Okay, next 45 minutes we'll observe this. Okay. And don't worry about the time. You just sit and relax. Okay. Shall we do? Just clasp your hands, keep it on your lap. If you are sitting on a chair, cross your feet at your ankle. Okay, let us meditate now. Just relax your body, adjust your body if you want, and then sit quietly and close your eyes and start observing. The key is to observe. Close your eyes. Remove your glasses. Now close your eyes. Now do not open your eyes, come what may. Just relax.